Hey guys, today let's learn how to create a poll on the Threads application. So if you guys would like to go ahead and create a poll over on the Threads application, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright, you guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Threads application. And once we're already here, I want you to go ahead and tap on this option to create a quick post. Now just go ahead and tap on that, and we will have this option over here. We will have 4 options available, and when we tap on this last one, that is actually the option for us to start a poll. Now all we need to do from here is to enter the specific question or the specific statement that you want to go ahead and create a poll about, and then you could also tap on these choices to what you want your viewers to choose, and you could also do that right here. You could also add more options if you prefer, and once you're ready to post it, just tap on post, and that's how you guys could easily go ahead and create a poll on the Threads application. And that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.